With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question, it is given that solute A is ternary electrolyte and solute B is non-electrolyte. If 0.1 molar solution of solute B produces an osmotic pressure of 2p, then 0.05 molar solution of A at the same temperature will produce an osmotic pressure equal to. So let's see first of all what is the formula of osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure pi is equals to I into M into R into T, where I is the Van 't Hoff factor. I is Van 't Hoff factor, right? I is Van 't Hoff factor, and we all know M is the molarity, right? M is the molarity, and R is gas constant. R is gas constant. T is the temperature, right? T is temperature. So these are the symbolic definitions. So pi is equals to IMRT. So let's write down the pi for A will be equals to I of A into molarity of solution A into R into T. So what will be I of A? From here, it has been given that solute A is a ternary solute. It means ternary solute means its I will be 3s for A, right? So I will be 3 for A because it is ternary solute. What is the molarity of A given? Then 0.05 molar solution of A. So we have been given their molarity will be 0.05 into R into T. So let's write down, this is just the value of pi of A, right? Let's leave it till here. Now let's write down what is pi of B. Pi B can be written as I of B into capital, that is the molarity of B, into R into T, because it is the same temperature. Now what is I of B? So I is equals to 1 for B. Why? Because it is a non-electrolyte. Solute B is a non-electrolyte. So for non-electrolyte, the Van 't Hoff factor is 1. So we will write down it is 1 into, what is the molarity of B given? It is given to us if 0.1 molar solution of solute B. So it is 0.1, right? And then we will write it as it is R into T. So finally this is pi of B. Now we have been given to us that pi of B, that is the osmotic pressure of 2p. So the osmotic pressure of solute B is 2p. So we will write down here pi of B is equals to 2p. So from here we can write down this equation like this. From here pi of B, if it is 2p, then we can write down 2p is equals to 1 into 0.1 into R into T, right? So now we can write down, since pi of B was 2p, so we have written instead of osmotic pressure of B, we have written 2p, right? So 2p is equal to 1 into 0.1 into R into T. So from here P will come out to be 0.1 divided by 2 into R into T, which can be written as 0.05, right? 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05 into R into T. So finally we have got the value of P as 0.05 into R into T. This is the value of P. Now what we can say? We can substitute the value of P in equation of osmotic pressure of A, that is pi A. So substitute the value of T in equation of osmotic pressure of A. So pi A was, we have already calculated, it is 3 into 0.05 into R into T. See, we have written here what is pi A. Pi A is 3 into 0.05 into R into T, right? This is pi A. So from here you can write down that pi A will be equals to, that is osmotic pressure of A will be equals to 3 into this whole value is nothing but it is equals to P. See, 0.05 into R into T. So you will write this as 3 into P. So finally your answer will be pi of A is equals to 3 times of P. This is the required answer. Now let's check the options. So we have been given options as to be. So this is the correct option, which is option C. So let's write down 3P is. So we will write down option C is correct choice. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.